whiteboard video animation, we are going to learn the story of Adam and Hawwa sons, Qabil and Habil. So let's start the video. Story of Qabil and Habil. Qabil and Habil were two sons of Hazrat Adam and Hazrat Hawwa. This story begins why Qabil killed Habil. When Qabil and Habil grew up, they were instructed to make a sacrifice to Allah as an act of worship. Habil was a shepherd, so he presented a healthy animal while Qabil offered a weak one. Fire came out to heaven and took Habil animal while being offered by Qabil. Upon this, Qabil got jealous on his brother and he said that I will kill you. Habil said, Allah accept the sacrifice of those who offer sincere. Habil said, if you raise your hands to kill me, I will not raise my hand because I fear the Lord of the world, Allah. Qabil took a dagger and killed his brother Habil, becoming the first murderer to kill human being in the world. Habil was truly the loser. After killing his brother Qabil don't know what to do with his brother's dead body because it was the first murder, first dead on earth. So Allah sent two crows. These crows fought with each other. One killed other than the crow showed him how to bury a dead body. Then Qabil buried his brother Habil in the ground. Qabil, after burying his brother Habil, used to curse himself and was so guilty of killing his brother. We can learn from Qabil and Habil's stories is that we should not be jealous of each other. So this was the story of Habil and Qabil. Please subscribe to our channel. Love will help those who help others. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.